Hi, I'm Leslie Carver with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today we're going to talk about Dave Ramsey's version of how to save to buy a home. Dave Ramsey is a well-known author, and he has his own talk show and radio show, and he's helped hundreds of thousands of people not only get out of debt, but talk about long-term goals and short-term goals such as buying a house. We are fortunate to be an ELP-preferred provider with Dave Ramsey, which means if someone is looking to purchase a home or sell a home in Las Vegas, we're one of the agents that is recommended through his program. Dave Ramsey has certain steps that he recommends to start moving towards when purchasing a home. I have the information in front of me. So the first thing he recommends is attack debt. If you've read or know any of Dave Ramsey's information, that's so important. He wants to make sure that you're getting out of debt first and that you don't have a lot of other credit card debt or even car debt or some of the other things. So make sure you're really paying that off. Build an emergency fund. Have a small amount of money, about 1 month of expenses put aside, and determine your goal. He says write it down in paper, look at what you're looking for in a home, the area, some information. Be prepared and have your information ready to go. Spend less. Start spending a little bit less. Pay cash for things so you're aware of what money is being spent on what, and just be more careful about what you're spending as you're saving to purchase a home. And then he even says Dave Ramsey understands the importance of real estate and buying a home. So he actually says it's okay to pause retirement savings while you're saving for a home and put that money aside to go towards your down payment, closing costs. And the final thing Dave Ramsey recommends is to have a strong support system. Make sure you're working with a realtor that understands the big picture and Dave Ramsey's goals. If you are looking to buy or sell a home, please call Team Carver.